Hello everyone, welcome to Monday Morning Coffee. It's still morning while I'm recording. I'm not sure if it's going to be morning when it uploads, but it might be morning depending on where you are. I do have coffee and I've had quite a bit. And so, I hope you all had a good weekend. I had a busy weekend. Started with Friday, had a bridal shower Friday night to go to. And in the midst of that bridal shower, I was driving there and oh man, I got hit with a horrendous thunderstorm. I mean, it was really, really bad. The rain was just blowing all over the place, thunder, lightning, the whole 9 yards of it. But I got really freaked out because I was going across the bridge and the water was just gushing off the side of the edges of the bridge and stuff. And at one point, I felt my car being pushed toward the edge of that bridge, and all I could think of was the ravine at the bottom. I'm like, oh, Lord above, let me go over this bridge. But I didn't go over the bridge, thank God. But I made it safely where I was supposed to be, and thank goodness by the time I left, it had stopped storming. But we've had a lot of storms this weekend, and a lot of rain and stuff. But so Saturday, my sister-in-law and my brother had invited me out to breakfast, and I went to breakfast, and then they came back, and we did a lot of work here. So I am getting prepared to finish up my craft room, I hope, and get everything out of my living room. I need to. And so I did try to work on a few projects for this week. And I will have some project shares come out later on this afternoon. I think I want to make sure the mail's run before I upload my videos, because I want to make sure the people have got what I sent. So, yeah. So that's pretty much it for today. Tomorrow I'm supposed to have a Dollar Tree / Poundland DIY. And I still might have it. My problem is, I'm working on a project that I've wanted to do for a long time with it. It was a couple of things that Gareth had sent me, and I wanted to work on it, and I'm having a little bit of difficulty trying to figure out how to do something I wanted to do. So it's 50% complete, but it's, yeah, it's a little difficult. I always create something that's going to be difficult for me to do sometimes. But it's going to look so neat when it's done. I just got to figure out a way to get it accomplished, what I want accomplished. I thought it was using a couple of plaques from Poundland, and they were really thick. And I thought it was wood, but it's really not real wood. It's kind of like compressed board or whatever. So what I wanted to do is not going to work. So I have to figure out another way to accomplish what I want. Now, if that is all confusing to you, don't worry, it's confusing to me too. But anyway, hopefully I will have that out for you Tuesday. My brother's coming over here today and helping me figure something out, because I don't have a drill or anything, and he's bringing one for me. So let's see how much I get on that done and whether I'll have that out. If I don't have that out for you tomorrow, it'll probably be Wednesday. But, and then I have a video, coming out on Back to Basics. I did part of it on my live this past Thursday night. I'm creating this album, and this is what I got so far. And it's just using book pages and stuff, and I created little pockets for it using book pages and, things like this, and envelopes, just showing different things that you could use for book pages. And so I may have the rest of that on Back to Basics, but to me the rest of it is not really basic. So I mean, it's not hard, but a beginning crafter probably would not attempt to do it. So I may come up with something else for Back to Basic Thursday. So I don't know. I'm just kind of all over the place this week. I don't know what's going on. I'm doing a big shove, big push to try to get my craft room done. I'm really ready to get all this mess up and sort it out and stuff. I still have tons of stickers that I need to get rid of. So you guys, if you want stickers, I'm just going to put a price on it because I have, I can either do a bag full, like a goodie bag full of stickers, and it's going to cost $8 to mail them. And so if you want a goodie bag, then it'll be, I'm going to ask $10 above the shipping, so it'll be $18. If you want a huge box full of stickers, which I think we can get about, I don't know, the last one I sold, I figured we had over 1,000 stickers in it, from 500 to 1,000 stickers in it, for $14.35. And so I'm going to ask for just $25 shipped on that. So if you want some stickers, and they're all kind of stickers, they're not just Dollar Tree, they're all kinds. Let me know. I still have those boxes. I still have those available. I may have a couple of other destashes that I had thought sold, but I haven't gotten the money for it yet. So I may have the fairy box that has fairy stamps and fairy, all kinds of things related to fairies. I may have that available, and I'm asking for, it's $14.35 shipping, and I'm asking for $20 for the box itself, so it would be $34.35 for shipping. And if you were interested in that, I'm going to make a playlist with all my destashes in. It may say sold, but it is not sold. I will have that available, and somebody asked me, I don't know if you guys remember this or not, but back several months I had created this painting on one Thursday Night Live. It was my cherry blossom tree painting, and I sold it, and it sold right away. And then I had another person ask me, can you do another one for me? And so they actually commissioned me to do this painting. And it's been 3 months, and I haven't seen, they haven't paid for it yet or anything like that. So I'm going to offer that up as well. And I'm asking $50 for it, plus the $14.35 it costs to ship it. So I am no longer waiting on, 3 months. That's a long time to wait. And 3 weeks is a long time to wait for a box. So I am offering those up to you. If you want, something, go back and look through the destashes. But basically, all I have left now is the fairy box, and I'm going to offer the painting that I did, and let's see, and the stickers. So I have those left that I really need to get rid of and sell. So if you're interested in any of that, let me know. And I think that's about it as far as what I have left right now. I'm trying not to bombard my channel with destashes. It's just, yeah, I don't know. But I thought about it, prayed about it, because I don't want to be, unfair. But honestly, 3 months, excuse me, 3 months is long enough to hold anything for anybody. And, I'm not going to talk bad about anybody or anything like that. I know life happens, but I do get tired of waiting and hearing excuses after excuse after excuse. So I will be offering that up. And hold on a minute, and I'll show you the picture, the second painting I did. Okay, so this is the canvas that I created, the second one I created. It looks a lot like the first one. There's some differences, but it's 11 by 14 canvas, and I found that I can ship it in a medium flat rate box. So actually, I'll tell you, it's going to be $50 shipped. and that includes the shipping. So if you're interested in one of the canvases, one of them, I already sold the first one that I did. Miss Lori Seabrook got that one. And so this is the one I created for somebody else that asked me to. They haven't, I've held on to it for 3 months and I can't hold on to it any longer. So, yeah, that is for sale. So I think that's about it. Okay, that's all the business stuff. Of course, I will have my daily devotions every morning, or try to get them up in the morning. And I will, like I said, for this week, I don't have a lot of plan for this week because mainly I am trying to get my craft room finished. I'm so close and I just need to get it finished. And so I will have maybe a Dollar Tree Poundland DIY tomorrow. If my brother can help me figure something out. And then on Wednesday, I really don't have anything planned. If I get Happy Mail or something like that in, I'll do that on Wednesday. Thursday, I will have a Back to Basics. I'm not sure what it's going to be on yet. And then Thursday night, I will have Thursday Night Live. And I'm going to put a survey up to see what you guys would like to see me do for Thursday Night Live. And Friday, I don't know that I'll have anything for Friday yet. So I don't want to tell you, if I don't get anything done, I don't want to tell you that I am and then I don't. So that's why I'm trying to be as clear as possible this week. This week is just about regrouping and trying to finish up things for me. And I really need to get things done. So thank you for hanging out with me and hanging in there with me. But yeah, I just need to get things finished up here. So, and I'm still looking for a job. For all those who've been following my little saga, I've had several job interviews. I haven't heard back from a couple of them. And, like I said, I'm just pressing on and pressing on, keeping on. If I don't get a job soon, though, I don't know, guys. It's going to be bad. But so, keep me in prayers for that. Alright, that's it for Monday Morning Coffee. I don't know, I feel like I'm just rambling this morning. I feel like I'm kind of all over the place. Just because my mind is going so fast of things that I need to do, things that I need to, get accomplished, and I'm working really hard on it. So if you're interested in a goodie bag or a box of stickers, let me know. Like I said, I have the fairy box available. Let me know about that. The fairy box will be $34.35 shipped. And the goodie bags will be $18 shipped. And then I have the painting. If you're interested in that, please let me know. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching me and for being here with me this morning. If this is your first time seeing one of my videos, I apologize for rambling this morning. It's not usually this bad. I usually have a list of things I go down and whatever. But you know what? This is real life and I'm just real me. I don't put on airs for anybody, and I don't pretend to be anything that I'm not. And you just get what you get when you get me. So, thank you for being here. If you are stumbled upon my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I'm not always discombobulated. And don't forget to tap the bell. Alright guys, thank you so much. Have a beautiful week, and I will see y'all tomorrow. Bye.